Tell us a bit about the business.
Well, this is Wilmas Lawn and Garden. New venture opened up in March for trading. We are a manufacturer, distributor, and a seller of fertilizers, liquid fertilizers, soils, anything for the garden. This company is set up through a Dutch parenting company. Originally the company was at Army, but we set up Wilmas Lawn and Garden hubs all across Europe. So we've got one in France, one in Spain, one in Switzerland, and obviously one in the UK, which is the limited one. We supply 5 wholesalers who supply the hydroponics industry, which is our main sector we operate in. But we've got a new brand, a new products, which is the Wilmas Lawn and Garden Nutrients, and we're trying to push that into the garden centres.
What was involved in setting up the sort of infrastructure of this business?
A to Z. The place was empty when we came in, so the first thing I started with was getting the office supplies in, getting furniture in, so they would have a place to work off of. I got good contacts with an IT department, IT contact. They've been a great help setting up the phones for us, setting up the computers for us and the systems. And then the next job for me was to make sure that the products that came in could be stored, so the racking was paramount. And that's where Amvar came in. And they helped us not only with the racking, but also with forklift trucks. But also Andy from Amvar helped us a lot with the production line we're setting up in the other unit. So they supplied us with help with electricians, help with extra special forklifts, because we needed a 5-ton forklift to lift special goods. We couldn't have asked for any more flexibility from them. Basically Andy from Amvar was my go-to guy in the first few months. If I needed a little help or needed some advice, I just called him and he was always available. We got the forklift off of them, flexi truck, which is a little bit different than your regular forklift because this one has front steering, but that also made it able for us to put the racking closer to each other because the flexi truck makes all tighter corners. And this place was picked because we are expecting to grow. So I want to be able to put more racking in if necessary. But at the moment, the racking that's been placed by Amvar is working well for us. I just gave him the specs. This is what the floor I got. This is the amount I want to be put away, and make a drawing for me. So I got a few options to choose from, and we chose the most expensive one. But
Was it useful to have a company that could give you that kind of integrated approach, that didn't just supply a forklift, that didn't just supply racking, that could do everything for you?
I did look into other companies, yeah, and they didn't do the full service option. That was one of the main reasons I chose for Amvar, because I had 3 parties come down here to look at the racking and to look at the forklift. So I spoke to everyone personally, and with Andy I just had a click. And this company's built on relations. So if I feel it's good, I trust it, and then I want to work with these people.